BIOFIT is a probiotic weight loss pill by Nature's Formula which includes 7 ingredients of clinically researched value that works toward healing the gut biome naturally. It is a nutritional supplement that uses probiotics which helps in losing weight. Many people take probiotic supplements daily to support gut health. Probiotics are linked to better immunity, weight loss, and other benefits. BioFit only contains probiotic ingredients. Each serving contains around 6 billion colony-forming units of probiotic or about 6 times the probiotic in an average serving of yogurts. BioFit works similar to any other probiotic supplements. The supplement gives your body the probiotic strains it needs for gut health, and then you enjoy various benefits. BioFit contains multiple strains of probiotic bacteria. Here what's the formula and ingredients looks like. This picture will help you to understand the ingredients which is included in BioFit probiotic. Here you can see how do probiotic works in detail. And here is scientific evidence for BioFit.